Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CNC for TDM. Today in this video I have come with a pocket program, circular pocket milling G12, G13. So we are going to discuss this, how to create a pocket on CNC milling. Okay, now there are two commands, G12 and G13. So what is the difference? Now this G13, this is here G12. See the difference. G13 is, if you see here, this is a pocket. This is a pocket and this is your tool, cutter. Cutter is moving in this direction, like this. This is moving in anti-clockwise direction. And it is in the left side of the pocket. Tool is in the left side of the pocket. That means it is following G41 command here. So G41 command is there. So left side, this is G13. That means this is climb milling, because your tool is moving like this here in clockwise direction and it is moving here upward side direction. So G13 is a case of climb milling. And in the same way, if you see here, this is G12. In G12, it is moving in the clockwise direction. Your tool is moving, this is the pocket, and this is your tool. Tool is moving in the clockwise direction, and it is also inside this pocket. So it case of G42, because from the pocket it is moving right side. Okay, so this is the difference. This is the only difference, that this is a case of up milling here and this is a case of down milling or climb milling. Only this is the difference. Okay, now let us see how to create a program for this. If you see here in this, see, this is a pocket here. Pocket diameter is 50. 50 is the diameter of the pocket, and this depth is 10 mm, Z minus 10. So total depth of the pocket is 10 mm. And here if you see, pocket is this total, size of the block is 100 by 100 here, and this corner coordinates are 0, 0, x0, y0. So that means in x direction, this pocket is at 50 mm, and in y also it is at 50 mm. And there is a pocket of diameter of 50 mm and depth is 10 mm. And this is our tool. So tool diameter is 10 mm here. If you see, this is the diameter of the tool, and this is here Z5. Z5 is, it is a retract plane. This line, this is a retract plane. And Z0, it is the top of the block, is Z0, top surface Z0, and depth is Z minus 10. So this is the diagram of a pocket. Okay, now let us discuss the program. If you see here, O1005, this is program number. O1005 is program number. N11, this is given here D10. What is D10? D is die offset. Die offset number. Die offset number is 10. D10. Okay. So, and tool number also we have taken 10. The tool number 10. So diameter offset is also 10. In next line, if you see, T10 means tool number 10, M06. So this is for changing tool. This command is there. So tool number is 10. And then in the next line, if you see, this is N13, G90. G90 means absolute mode. All the dimensions are in absolute mode. G54 is our work offset. And G00 rapid mode in rapid mode X50 Y50. So tool will go in rapid mode where up from this point to X50 Y50. This it is center here, center of the pocket X50 Y50. Okay. In next line, if you see N14 S2000, S means RPM of the tool is 2000, and M03 spindle on clockwise. So here spindle is on now. In next line, if you see G15 G43 H10, H is the height offset of the tool. This is so G43 H10. In the H, if you see here, this H10, this is 10 number for tool number 10. H number is also, height number is also, we have taken 10. So this is length offset of the tool G43. So length offset, it is taken here from machine 0 to this surface, it is taken as G43. So this is the value of the G43 given here. And Z5 M08 coolant on. Z5 means in rapid mode 00, in rapid mode it comes up to Z5. From here it come up to this line, this, and it will come here up to Z5 in rapid mode. Okay, with this speed. Yeah. Okay, with the maximum speed. Okay. Now in next line, if you see here, then we have given G01. G01 means linear mode, and Z minus 10. 10 is the depth of the pocket. Z minus 10 depth, and F23 means feed is very less, 20. Means this is plunging feed. When tool plunges in the material from Z5 to Z minus 10, it will be in a very slow feed here up to this level. So it goes with very less feed, which is 20 here. And then in next line G13. What is G13? G13 is a circular pocket milling program. Okay. And here given I6. So I, what is I? I is radius of circle. Radius of first circle is given here, I. So I have given here I for first circle, it is not there in this program. So this depth is given. Then G13 I6, okay, I6 is the radius of the first circle. Then K25, K is the final circle, final radius of the circle, 25, because the diameter is 50, so K will be 25. For diameter 50, K is the radius of the pocket. This is 25. Okay. And then Q6. Q is, what is Q? It is spiral step over. Spiral step over means it will make spirals like this. First it will take 6 dia, then bigger, then in the last it will make 50 dia. So this way, this will move cutter like this. So initially I value is 6 here. I is given 6, and then K is 25. From 6 to 25, it will make spirals like this. Okay. And Q6, Q means step over. Spiral step over means this is the step over. After every circle, it will move out by 6 mm like this. So, and here it is given D10. D10 is, this is die offset. It will take a value of the cutter. And F200 means feed is 200 mm per minute. With this feed, it will move like this. So this will make a pocket. And in the next line, G0, Z5, M09. After making this pocket, then G0, Z5, it will come to the retract level, and M09 means coolant is off. and from that point then next line is G53, G49. G53 is machine 0, G49 this length offset cancel, Y0 Z0 up to this Y and Z0 of machine 0, it will come to that loss. Here something at this side, some machine 0 is there, so it will come to that. And next line and 20 M30. M30 means program stop, everything stops. So this way we can make a program, pocket program. So one more thing is there. If suppose there is a deep pocket, very deep pocket, depth is more, so then what we have to do is only this line will change, N17. So what will happen now? This N17, if you see here, G13 same circular pocket, and G91 means incremental mode, it will come in incremental mode. G minus 2.5, depth is taken, incremental depth is taken 2.5 mm. Instead of 10 mm total, I have taken 2.5, and L is here L4. L4 means it will take it 4 times 2.5. So for making total depth 10 mm, we have to take 4 cuts like this. So L4, L is loop count for multiple passes. If you take multiple passes, then you have to use this L. Otherwise, all the things will remain same. This, if you see here, I is 6, same, K is 25, same thing, this radius of the pocket, Q is 6, it is also spiral step over is same, only this has changed. D10, this is our offset number, and feed is 200 mm. All things will remain same, only we have to change this if there are multiple passes. If they are single pass, then this program is sufficient. If multiple passes are there, you have to add only this line. Instead of this line, you have to change like this, and then this line number 16 will not be required because we have given here total depth, that minus 10. If multiple passes are there, this N16 is not required. So that's all. So this way we can create a program for this. So I think now it is clear to you what is the difference between G12 and G13 also. So if you want to make a for G12 this program, only thing is we have to change, instead of G13 we have to write G12 only. That's all. The only difference will be it will be in up milling, and whereas this program was in down milling. In down milling, finish is better as compared to up milling. So generally we use this, otherwise you can use this also. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video soon.